In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your inventory using Shopify. Whether you're starting out or already have some experience with e-commerce, understanding how to handle your product inventory is crucial for keeping your store running smoothly. Today, we'll go through the steps together, ensuring you have a good grasp of managing inventory from your Shopify admin panel. First, let's navigate to your Shopify store's admin page. You'll want to log into your Shopify account, and upon doing so, you'll land on the homepage of your store's admin panel. This dashboard acts as your command central, where you can manage everything related to your online store. It's the perfect starting point for today's task. Now, look at the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click on Products. This section is where all your store's products are listed, including their details and configurations. It's the heart of your store's inventory management, where you can view and adjust anything related to the products you sell. Next, we'll be diving into the inventory specifics. Still under the Products section, select Inventory. This will open a new window where all your product inventories are lined up. Here you can view your current stock levels, track the movement of items, and manage stock effectively. Viewing your inventory in one place allows you to understand how much product you have available and to make informed decisions regarding purchasing and marketing. Once you're in the inventory page, you'll be able to see several columns related to your stock levels. Let's focus on a couple of essential ones. First, find the Available column. By clicking on Available, you'll sort the inventory by the items that are currently ready to be sold. This allows you to quickly spot which products need restocking, helping you maintain optimal inventory levels and reduce the risk of running out unexpectedly. Moving on, another important column to pay attention to is On Hand. Click on On Hand to sort your products based on what's physically in stock. This is particularly useful for planning and preparing for high sales periods such as holidays or promotional events, ensuring you're ready to meet customer demand without delay. Understanding how to navigate and manage your Shopify inventory effectively ensures that your online store functions smoothly and efficiently. Being organized with your inventory not only saves time, but also helps improve customer satisfaction by minimizing out-of-stock situations. That wraps up our walkthrough for today. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering your inventory management on Shopify. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps keep your store operations seamless and successful.